Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I give a chapter. Yesterday I was given this chapter for reading Henry a Chameleon. Hope you all reading this chapter and understand it very well. Who is the writer of this chapter is Ruskin Bond. Firstly, I want to tell you something about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, he was born in 19 May 1934 in Kasoli. Actually, he wrote many novels and won many awards. And his writing based on animals and nature very much. Actually, his novel based on a little bit on his perception also. So, come on this chapter. Chapter name is Henry a Chameleon. There, I just give you a brief summary about this chapter. If you have any query, then please ask me. Okay. So, there is a chameleon name was Henry, and here is some description about chameleon, how they look like. Actually, a chameleon tongue is as long as its body. Its limbs are long and slender, and its finger and toe resemble a parrot claws. मीन्स उसकी जो टंग जो है वो कितनी लंबी है, उसकी बॉडी की जितनी लंबी है, एंड उसकी जो पार्ट्स है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्लाइड्स और लंबे हैं, और उसकी फिंगर और टोज किससे रिसेंबल करते हैं, एज अ पैरेट क्लॉ से रिसेंबल करते हैं. On his head may be any of several ornaments. Henry had a rigged crest that looked like a fireman helmet. Rigged tough tail जो है उनकी वो ऐसे लगती थी fireman's helmet की तरह लगती है. And the most remarkable feature of the Henry was his eyes. Actually, his one eye when he worked from one eye, he can't disturb any eye. Actually, left eye was quite independent of his right one. He could move one eye without disturbing the other. वो अपनी आइज को एक आइज को मूव कर सकता था दूसरी आई को डिस्टर्ब किए बिना. Each eyeball bulging out of his head wobbled up and down, backward and forward. This frenzied movement gave Henry a horrible sequence. जब वो ऐसे कोई मूवमेंट करता था, बहुत तेज अपनी आइज़ को मूव करता, तो वो ऐसा लगता था जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा हॉरिबल कोई रेप्टाइल है. One day, grandfather was visiting a friend when he came upon a noisy scene. जब ग्रैंडफादर नरेटर के ग्रैंडफादर जब अपने फ्रेंड के घर गए तो उनको एक नॉइजी साउंड, बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइजी साउंड आई एट द आउट ऑफ द हाउस. Then a man was shouting too much and throwing stone on chameleon. Suddenly my grandfather came here and saved the chameleon, and he took the chameleon at our place. When I first visited Henry, he would treat me with a great caution, sitting perfectly. Whenever a chameleon Henry met with some strange person, he behaved like very strangely, like he can't believe on the person who was meet first time. Okay, मीन्स जब वो फर्स्ट टाइम किसी से मिलता था तो वो ईजिली किसी पे भी बिलीव नहीं कर पाता था. हैनरी किसी पे भी बिलीव नहीं कर पाता था. Tiring of his very attitude, I would tickle him gently in the ribs. जब जैसे मुझे उसको पता चला कि हाँ भाई इसको थोड़ा सा अनकॉन्शियस फील हो रहा है, मतलब कि इतना ज़्यादा बहुत मतलब नर्वस फील कर रहा है एट अवर प्लेस, देन उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज करके उसको फ्रेंडली करना चाहा अपने साथ में. He would blow himself up to an enormous size as his lungs filled up with the air, and he want to change his color as well, from green to red. जब भी कैमलिन को मन करता था तो वो अपना कलर जो है वो चेंज कर सकते थे, कहाँ ग्रीन से लेकर रेड तक के में. He would sit up on his hind legs swaying from side to side, hoping to overview me. Opening his mouth very wide, he would let out an angry hiss. uh, वो अपना माउथ इतना ओपन खोलते थे जैसा लगता था कि जैसे उनको कोई गुस्सा आ रहा है. बट इज थ्रेटनिंग डिस्प्ले वेंट नो फर्दर. ही डिड नॉट बाइट. जब हमारा डर तब खत्म हुआ जब उन्होंने हमें बाइट नहीं किया. हेनरी के बारे में कहा गया कि वो एक हार्मलेस फैलो है. एंड इफ नरेटर want to put want to put his hand on his mouth, on Henry's mouth, he can't bite because he loved him. And he no not open, he not close his mouth whenever narrator take it out it again. I suppose I could bite. His rigged jaws carried a number of finely pointed teeth, but Henry seemed convinced that his teeth were there for the sole purpose of chewing food, not fingers. अब जो है कि हेनरी ने ये प्रूव कर दिया था कि ये मेरी जो टीथ है, जो शार्प पॉइंट टीथ है, ये किसके लिए? सिर्फ फूड च्यूइंग करने के लिए है, ये कोई फिंगर च्यूइंग करने के लिए नहीं है. देन one day there was an incident happened in our house when grandmother sent a basket full of to her friend Mrs. Ghosh, who was the principal of nursery school. While the basket sat waiting, Henry went searching for beetles and slipped in among the papayas unnoticed. The gardener take the basket and uh, go to the school and left it in Mrs. Ghosh's office. When Mrs. Ghosh returned after making her rounds, she began examining and admiring the papaya, and out popped Henry. Then suddenly, what happened when Mrs. Ghosh examined the papaya? Henry popped up. Ghosh screamed and she shouting. Henry squinted up and at her, both eyes revolving. अब वो अपनी आंखें जो है वो घुमाने लग गया और मिसेस घोष उसको देख के और ज़्यादा डर गई. हेनरी ने अपना कलर चेंज कर लिया, ग्रीन टू येलो, येलो टू रेड. हिज माउथ ओपन एज सो ही टू वुड लाइक टू स्क्रीम. वो अपना माउथ ऐसे खोला कि जैसे वो भी डरा हुआ है. एंड असिस्टेंट टीचर रश इन. Then assistant teacher came into the office and while he looked to the Henry, she also screamed. Henry was terrified. He fled from the office, running down the corridor and into the classroom. There he climbed up on a desk while children ran in all directions. While the children looked at the chameleon, they ran in all directions. Henry finally made his exit through a window and disappeared in the garden. Then he disappeared in the garden, and grandmother heard about the incident, but she didn't tell Mrs. Ghosh that chameleon belonged to her, because she didn't broke her friendship for a chameleon. And grandfather and I didn't think Henry would find his way back to us, because the school was 3 blocks away. कितना blocks away था? 3 blocks away था school. But a few days later I found him sunning himself on the garden wall. मैंने उसको नरेटर ने उसको कहाँ पाया कि वो garden wall पे दिखा उनको. Although he looked none of the worse for his adventure, he never went abroad again. Henry spent the rest of his days in the garden, where he kept the insect population within the bound. In the end, I would like to say that, so my dear students, I want in this Ruskin Bond give a message to all of us that all creatures, all reptiles, animals have an equal right to live on this earth. We can't destroy them without any reason. So please save them. Don't destroy them. They are also life of the earth. Please don't spoil them. Thank you.